Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi ya bersama video jalan maning kita. Nah, untuk saat ini saya lagi menuju Curug Ciberem yang ada di kawasan wisata Gunung Gede Pangrango. Kita mau mampir ke Curug aja, nggak camping. Nah, untuk saat ini saya berdua lagi sama istri saya tercinta. Ya teman-teman, saya udah beli tiket. Tadi tiketnya itu 37.000 berdua. Sekarang saya weekend, kurang tahu kalau hari biasa berapa, saya belum paham. Oke, perjalanan saya baru dimulai, teman-teman. Di bawah. Oke, hari ini sekarang udah hampir jam 1 teman-teman, udah banyak yang pada turun. Nah, kita baru naik udah lumayan. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fit. Kita ngopi dulu teman-teman. Tadi naiknya itu lumayan mantap. Melangkah cuma sampai sini berasa lunas, pikirannya jadi enteng. Yang punya untung berasa lunas pokoknya. Puas banget, mantap. Oke, kita mau ke curug sebelahnya teman-teman ya. Yang satu lagi.
Ya teman-teman, sekarang kita mau turun lagi ke bawah karena cuacanya udah rada-rada mendung teman-teman. Udah gitu, udah jam 4 sore. Oke, seandainya teman-teman kemari, di sini banyak warung juga ya. Ada warung buat ngopi, buat apa, pop mie, makan pop mie. Nah, buat sholat juga ada teman-teman ya. Nah, ini musolahnya. Jadi yang mau sholat zuhur, atau mau sholat asar gitu ya. Jadi enak, gampang. Saya juga nih rencana mau sholat asar dulu, baru on the way turun. Ya teman-teman, kita mau turun ke bawah. Udah mulai rada gerimis kayaknya, orang-orang juga udah pada mulai turun. Takut apa, hujan deras, bingung neduhnya gimana. Udah sore juga.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Now tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.